What are parentheses? So in math, this is what parentheses looks like. I guess everywhere this is what parentheses looks like. Basically, the idea here is that it's used to group things, group numbers, expressions. It's a way to group things, pretty much. And when we deal with the order of operations, parentheses are always first. So this comes first. So when we talk about PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, parentheses comes first. And there's a few ways to think about this. So an example here would be, what's the difference between, let's say, 5 plus 2 times 3 and, let's say, 5 plus 2 in parentheses times 3. So if we do 2 times 3, it's 6, and then 5 plus 6 is 11. Whereas in this case, because these are in parentheses, it would be 5 plus 2 first, which is 7, and then it would be times 3. So what's 7 times 3? 21. Two different answers, two different initial setups. Okay, so that's one other way to think about parentheses. Let me also just say that. So the next thing is that it can be used to indicate multiplication. So indicate multiply. Okay, so what does that mean? If I have something like 3 times 4, it's also fine to write some like this, 3 times 4, like that, in parentheses. Okay. Same thing here. If I write 2 plus 3 times 4, this is also equal to 2 plus 3 times 4. Okay. It could also be used to organize negative numbers. Now, you might not need to know how to do this right now, but just keep in mind that, something like negative 4 to the second power is not the same, is not equal to minus 4 to the second power. Okay, so let's see. So we have negative 4, parentheses comes first, multiply together, and you get negative times a negative is a positive, so 4 times 4 is 16. This does not equal what this is. This is 4 squared first, which is 16. And then the negative is tacked along. And negative 16, or 16 does not equal negative 16. Okay, so that's another reason where parentheses can be used. And so just keep that in mind as well. The more math classes you take, you'll see them appear pretty much everywhere. Just know, ultimately, it's a lot about grouping.